Hi everyone, we're from Group 7 and today we'll be presenting about application of organic compounds in commercial, industrial and living systems for CHM207. And these are our group members.
Hello there, my name is Senator Akandianti Mamaahe, and today I will be presenting the application of organic compounds in commercial, industrial, and living system. Have you ever wondered what medicines, food, fuels, and plastic have in common? The answer is organic compounds. Organic compounds are chemical substances that contain carbon, usually bonded to hydrogen and other elements. They are unusual in daily life and play a major role in modern industries. In this video, we will explore how organic compounds are used in a living system as well as in a commercial and industrial application. Why organic compounds matter? Organic compounds are important because they are found in all living things and are used in everyday life. They are the main component of food, medicines, fuel, plastic, and even our DNA. Without them, both life and industry could not function.
Hello everyone, my name is Novatina Aisha, and today we're going to explore an important group of organic compounds called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds made up of only two elements, carbon and hydrogen. They form the basic building blocks of many substances we use every day. There are two main types of hydrocarbons. First, alkanes like methane and propane. Second, alkenes and alkynes, which are often used in the production of plastic fuels and chemicals. Let's take a look at some real-life examples and application of hydrocarbons. One common example of a hydrocarbon is gasoline, which is mainly made up of alkenes. Gasoline is a fuel that powers most vehicles around the world. It's a perfect example of how hydrocarbons are used as fuel. In terms of application, hydrocarbons like gasoline are used in transportation, electricity generation, and heat. They also play a major role in the petrochemical industry, serving as raw materials to make plastics, synthetic rubber, and fibers. Another common example is LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas. LPG is used mainly for cooking and heating in homes. It's another form of fuel derived from hydrocarbons. Just like gasoline, LPG also contributes to transportation and power generation, and again to the petrochemical industry for making essential everyday materials like plastics and rubber. So, as we can see, hydrocarbons aren't just chemistry terms, they are parts of our daily life in many ways.
Hi, my name is Kalista and I will be talking about alcohols. So, what are alcohols? Alcohol is an organic compound with a hydroxyl functional group on an allopathic carbon atom. They belong to a functional group called hydroxyl group. The general formula for alcohol is ROH. They are found in natural sources, for example fruits, and they are synthetically produced. Alcohols are polar, soluble in water, and flammable. These are some examples of common alcohols. The first one is ethanol. They are commonly used in hand sanitizers, alcoholic drinks, and fuel. The next one is isopropanol. They are commonly used in rubbing alcohol and antiseptic. Another one is methanol. They are commonly used in industrial solvents. And the last one is glycerol. They are commonly used in moisturizers and medicine syrups. These alcohols are used across households, labs, cosmetics, and industry. These are some medical use of alcohols. The first one is disinfectants. Ethanol and isopropanol kill bacteria and viruses. It is used in hand sanitizers, surface sprays, and hospital cleaning. Next is antiseptics. They are applied on skin before injections or surgeries, and they prevent infections at minor wound sites. Another one is solvents in medicine. It helps dissolve active ingredients in liquid medicines and oral drops. And finally, glycerol. Glycerol is used in cough syrups and acts as a soothing agent. These are the importance of alcohol. It is widely used in healthcare, personal care, and household products. It is critical in controlling disease spread, for example, COVID-19. It's used in chemical industry as solvents and intermediates for making other compounds. It serves as a renewable fuel, for example, bioethanol. It helps in reducing pollution. And finally, it presents in cosmetics, perfumes, and cleaning agents. Here's a fun fact. The World Health Organization recommends alcohol-based sanitizers for rapid hand disinfection.
Hi everyone, my name is Tenfi and I would like to talk about ester. Okay, so what exactly are ester? Ester are a type of organic compound and they usually smell really nice, like super fruity or sweet. That's why they are used a lot in perfume and in things like candy and drink to give a flavor. Ester are organic compound formed when an alcohol reacts with carboxylic acid. That process is called esterification. Their general formula is RCOOR prime. It is basically means they are a carbon double bonded to an oxygen and also connected to another oxygen that is attached to a different carbon group. So, next time, if you smell something like bananas or strawberries in a lab, you are likely experiencing the smell of an ester. For your information, ester are not just cool in theory. They are actually all around us in daily life and industry. Let's start with living system. Ester are what give fruit like banana and pineapple their sweet aroma. It is also a play role in our bodies, especially in things like fat metabolism. So it is pretty important for energy. Next, in commercial uses. Ester are used in perfume and cosmetic because of their nice fruity smell. It is also added to fruit like in candy and drink to make flavor taste more fruity and delicious. And then we have got industrial uses. Ester are used to make biodiesel, which is a more eco-friendly fuel. It is also used as plasticizer. This helps make plastic like PVC softer and more flexible. Now let's look at example of ester and its use. First, isomere acetate. It smells like banana and used in candy and perfume. Second, ethyl butanoate. It smells like pineapple and used in juice. Third, propyl ethanoate. It smells like pear and used in food flavoring. Lastly, fatty acid methyl ester (FAME). It texture like oily or soapy, used in biodiesel and eco-friendly detergent. Fun fact about FAME is it do not have fruity or floral aromas like other ester used in food or perfume. Instead, they smell more like cooking oil or soap. So, as you can see, ester are not just a chemical in textbook. They are literally your snack, your soap, and even your fuel. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, polymers are large molecules made up of repeating units called monomers, which are chemically bonded together. Polymers can be naturally or synthetic and can be found everywhere in daily life, such as PVC, polyamide, and also plastic. So, polymerization mechanism have mechanism polymerization that involve unsaturated monomers like alkenes and also condensation polymerization that have monomers with two functional group reacts.
Another significant application of organic compound can be found in the pharmaceutical industry. Now, let's take a look at how organic compounds contribute to the development of medicines. In the field of medicines, organic compounds play a key role in the creation of pharmaceutical drugs used to treat, manage, and prevent disease. So, what is pharmaceutical compound? Pharmaceutical compounds are chemical substances used in diagnosis, treatment, or prevention of a disease. These compounds can be natural, semi-synthetic, or fully synthetic and are the active ingredient in a medication. Pharmaceutical compounds can be classified based on their origin. First, some are naturally derived from plants or microorganisms like penicillin, which is obtained from fungi and used to treat bacterial infection. Next, we have a compound that are modified from natural source. For example, amoxicillin is developed from a penicillin and is commonly used to treat urinary tract infection or UTI. Lastly, some pharmaceutical compounds are fully synthesized in laboratories. A common example is a paracetamol, which is widely used to relieve pain and reduce fever. While pharmaceutical compounds offer great benefit, they must be used with caution. Always follow prescription guidelines, as overusing antibiotics can lead to resistance. Excessive intake of paracetamol may cause liver damage, and like any drug, possible side effects may include allergies, nausea, or jaundice. Therefore, Responsible usage is just as important as innovation in pharmaceutical chemistry. So, what is medical is a powerful, using them wisely is a key to staying safe. So, with the naturally source of fully synthetic pharmaceutical compound continue to play a vital role in modern medicine. In conclusions, organic compounds are everywhere in a living organism, the environment, and the product we use daily. They play a major role in keeping us healthy, supporting industries, and making modern life easier. Learning about them show how important chemistry in solving your world problem.
That's all from us. Thank you.